Behind every successful melt and every precise pour, there is a team. A team built on dedication, discipline, and shared responsibility. Skilled professionals work side by side with a new generation, combining knowledge earned over decades with the focus and drive of youth. Together, they ensure that every melt is controlled, and every pour reflects the highest standards of quality and safety. Steel does not begin as a finished product. It begins as potential. In the intense heat of induction furnaces, solid metal is transformed. Carefully selected alloys are melted with precision, control, and purpose. At this stage, every degree matters. Every second counts. Chemistry, temperature, and timing define the performance of the steel to come. Melting is more than a process. It is the foundation of quality. It is here that stainless steels and low and medium alloy steels gain their identity, their resistance, and their reliability. When the metal reaches its perfect condition, the pouring begins. Molten steel flows into prepared molds, guided by experience and engineering. This is the moment where control meets gravity, where liquid fire takes shape. Pouring demands absolute precision. A controlled flow ensures structural integrity, internal soundness, and dimensional accuracy. At Ferespe, melting and pouring are not isolated steps. They are the heart of the foundry. The point where metallurgy, technology, and craftsmanship converge. From raw material to engineered steel, every casting reflects expertise built over decades, serving industries that demand strength, durability, and trust.